Good morning, student. Welcome back to our English class, and I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again. Alright, student. Today we are going to have fun together with our wonderful story. But student, before we get started, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. Let's begin with our first song that's called Hello Hello Song. Don't forget to set up like this, students. And then let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch
And
your
it's rhythm
thigh?
time.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you
Then
say
you will
hello?
say hello. Good job. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you
And
stretch
it's
your
rhythm
thigh?
time.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
Then you will
hello?
say hello. Good job. Do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. Don't forget to say hello. Excellent, students. Alright, now let's move to the next song. And this song we call 5 Fat Sausages. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
Good job! Now let's sing and dance along together with 5 Fat Sausages. Alright, set up again and then move your hand.
Five fat sausages sitting in a pan. 5 fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bang. 5 sausages sitting in a pan. 4 fat sausages sitting in a pan. 4 fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bang. 3 fat sausages sitting in a pan. 3 fat sausages
Shake your
sitting in a
hand.
pan. 3 fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bang. 2 fat sausages sitting in a pan. 2 fat sausages sitting
Little
in
bit
a
down.
pan. 2 fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bang. 1 fat sausage sitting in a pan. 1 fat sausage sitting in a pan. 1 fat sausage sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bang. No fat sausages sitting in a pan.
So good on you, students. You are good dancers. Alright, now let's move to the next song. And this song is our entry song. Don't forget to sing and dance together. Alright, and welcome back to Blau English class.
Sound box.
Sorry. Alright, student. Today we are still with the wonderful of
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. And today we are going to comprehensions our story of Thank you, bird. But before we get started, now let's answer the questions. Teacher have some questions to ask all of you. Let's begin with the first question. Student, listen carefully. This question is, how are you? How are you today? How do you feel, student? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
Oh, if you are not sleepy, or are you hungry? Are you hungry?
No, teacher.
Oh, you say no again. If you are not sleepy and you are not hungry, what about this one? Are you angry? Angry? Are you angry?
No, teacher.
No again. So, how are you today? What about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Well done. If you say yes, this time you will say, repeat after me. I am happy. You turn.
I am happy.
Well done. Let's do it again one more time, student. How are you today?
I am happy.
Wonderful. All right. Let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Let's repeat this question after me.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? You turn.
How's the weather?
That's it. And then, how's the weather, student? Can you answer this question? Let's look at the window. Look at the outside and then tell me, how's the weather? Today is this?
It's raining.
Is this rainy? Rainy. Today is this rainy? It would be yes or no.
No, teacher.
Oh no, today is not raining. Good job. Let's find out another answer. If it's not raining, what about this one?
It's snowy.
Is it snowy? What about this one, student? Today is it snowy? It would be yes or no.
No way.
No way, it's not snowy. So, how's the weather? What about this one?
It's sunny.
Is it sunny? Today, is it sunny? It would be yes or no.
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is it sunny?
Yes, it's sunny.
Well done. This one is the correct one. Today, it's sunny. Now, let's repeat this sentence after me.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. You turn.
It's sunny.
Wonderful. Today it's sunny. Alright, student. Now let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully again.
What day is it today?
Repeat this question after me. What day is it today? You turn.
What day is it today?
Good job. What day is it today? Guess what, student?
Today is Tuesday.
Look at this one. Today it's Tuesday. Is today Tuesday?
No.
Oh no, it's not. This one is not correct. Today is not Tuesday. Let's find out another one. What day is this today, student? What about this one?
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday.
No, teacher.
No, it's not. Good job. Today is not Thursday. And what about this one, student?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well done. This one is the correct one. Today is Saturday. Now, let's repeat this sentence. Listen carefully.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday.
Excellent, student. Alright, student. Today we are going to comprehensions our story of Thank You Bird. And today we are going to watch our story. And then we are going to practice how to read our story. After that, we are going to practice more how to pronounce the sound of each letter with part of phonics. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's begin with the first step of the story box. Don't forget to pay attention with our story.
Storybox.
Thank you, birds.
Words. Look.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
Oh,
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
They have just only one orange, and that one for his mom. One day, look.
Dad, look!
Stop! Stop! Go away!
Go away. The bird has stolen their fruits.
That orange was for Mom!
Oh, they look so sad.
Poor boy! Let's help him! Wow, I have an idea.
These birds, they are going to help them. Look at the student.
Stop!
Stop! Stop! Go away!
But they didn't know. They just say stop and go away.
What are they, Dad?
And then one day in the morning, the little boy, he asks his dad, what are they, Dad? Can you remember, student? What are they?
Oranges.
Good job. Take a look. See?
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
It's an orange tree.
What are they, Dad?
And then the next one, this little boy, he asks his dad again. What are they, Dad? The back one. Can you remember, student? What are they?
Apples.
Apples. All right, let's see. Look.
Wow! They are apples!
It's a big apple tree.
It's an apple tree.
What are they, Dad?
And then the next one, he asks to his dad again. What are they, Dad? The yellow one. Can you remember, student? What are they?
Bananas.
Bananas. All right, let's see.
These are bananas.
It's a banana tree.
Yes, it's a banana tree. Oh, they have a lot of fruits.
Mom, look! I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Have some apples.
Let's have together.
Oh, they have some fruits together.
Thank you, birds.
All right, and then happy end. Now this family, they all look happy. All right, and then finally they say, thank you, birds. Enough of this story, students. And the next part that teacher told you, we are going to practice how to read with part of reading. Are you ready to read?
Yes.
All right, move to reading.
Reading.
This part, we are going to read our story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. Student, if you have a storybook, please bring it beside you. You can open along and then read the story together. Now, let's begin with the title of this story. Listen carefully.
Thank you, birds.
Repeat after me. Thank you, birds. You turn.
Thank you, birds.
Excellent. Now let's begin with the first page of this story. Look at this one. Don't forget to listen and then try to read all of the sentence over there.
I'm hungry, Dad.
I'm hungry, Dad. Your turn.
I'm hungry, Dad.
And then he asks to his dad,
What do we have?
What do we have? Your turn.
What do we have?
Excellent. After that, his dad said,
We have one orange.
We have one orange. Your turn.
We have one orange.
But that's for Mom.
But that for mom. Your turn.
But that for Mom.
Excellent. Move to the next page of this story. Look at this one, student. One day, look at this bird. And then the little boy, he said,
Dad, look.
Dad, look. Your turn.
Dad, look.
Excellent. Now move to part of his dad. And this time he said,
Stop! Stop! Go away!
Stop, stop, go away. Your turn.
Stop, stop, go away.
Well done. This bird has stolen their fruit. Now let's move to the next page of this one. Oh, look at them. They look so sad. And then the little boy, he say,
That orange was for Mom.
Repeat after me. That orange was for mom. Your turn.
That orange was for Mom.
Good job. And suddenly, student, these birds, they heard about that. And then they say,
Oh, poor boy.
Oh, poor boy. Your turn.
Oh, poor boy.
Good job. The next one.
Let's help him.
Let's help him. Your turn.
Let's help him.
How?
How? Your turn.
How?
And then move to this one. It say,
I have an idea.
I have an idea. Your turn.
I have an idea.
Excellent. Let's move to the next page. And then let's see, student, these birds, they are going to help this family. But they don't know. And then this little boy, he said,
Stop.
Stop. Your turn.
Stop.
Move to part of his dad. He say,
Stop! Stop! Go away!
Stop, stop, go away. Your turn.
Stop, stop, go away.
Well done. Alright, now it's the next day in the morning. They are waking up and then this little boy, he asks to his dad,
What are they, Dad?
What are they, Dad? Your turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job. Alright, what are they? Let's see. And this part, his dad said,
They are oranges.
They are oranges. Your turn.
They are oranges.
Well done. And then the next sentence,
It's an orange tree.
it's an orange tree. Your turn.
It's an orange tree.
Good job. Let's move to the next one. Alright, student, and this part, let's take a look. This little boy, he asks to his dad,
What are they, Dad?
What are they, Dad? Your turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job. This time he asks to his dad about this one, student. What are they? Can you remember? What are they?
Apples.
Apples. Good job. Now let's see with the next page. See, and then this part, his dad said,
Wow! They are apples!
Repeat after me. Wow, they are apples. Your turn.
Wow, they are apples.
Good job. And then move to this little boy. This part he said,
It's a big apple tree.
it's a big apple tree. Your turn.
It's a big apple tree.
Well done. Alright, now let's move to the next one. And this part, look at this boy. He asks to his dad again, and this time he says,
What are they, Dad?
what are they, Dad? Your turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job, student. What are they? Guess what? Can you remember what is it?
Bananas.
Bananas. Excellent. Now let's see. Look at this. This part, his dad said,
These are bananas.
repeat after me. These are bananas. Your turn.
These are bananas.
Good job. And then move to this little boy. This part he said,
It's a banana tree.
it's a banana tree. Your turn.
It's a banana tree.
Good job. Alright, now look at them. This family, they have a lot of fruits over there. And this part, this little boy, he said to his mom,
Mom, look.
Mom, look. Your turn.
Mom, look.
And the next sentence,
I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
repeat after me. I have oranges, apples, and bananas. Your turn.
I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Excellent. And then move to his dad. This part he said,
Have some apples.
have some apples. Your turn.
Have some apples.
Good job. Now let's move to part of his mom. This part she said,
Let's have together.
let's have together. Your turn.
Let's have together.
Good job. Alright, now we move to the last page of the storybook. And finally, this family, they all look happy. And then they say,
Thank you, birds.
repeat after me. Thank you, birds. Your turn.
Thank you, birds.
Well done. So, students, alright, end up our part of reading. And then the next part, we are going to practice more with part of phonics. Alright, now are you ready?
Yes.
Let's move to sound box
Sound box.
and practice more with parts of phonics. Alright, student, can you remember what kind of this letter over there?
Q.
It's letter Q. Good job. And what about the yellow one? What kind of this letter?
R.
Letter R. And the last one, student, the pink one. What kind of this letter?
S.
S. Excellent. Alright, now we are going to practice more how to pronounce the sound of each letter. Let's begin with letter Q. Don't forget to listen carefully.
Q, Q. Q. Queen. Q. Quilt. Q. Question.
Alright, student, teacher has some question. What is the sounds of letter Q?
Q.
Good job. Q. Now listen it again and then repeat it. Repeat after me. Q. Your turn.
Q.
Good job. And then let's practice more with our words. Listen carefully.
Queen.
Queen. Your turn.
Queen.
Well done. Now let's move to the next word over there. And this word is,
Quilt.
repeat after me. Quilt. Your turn.
Quilt.
Good job. Alright, now move to the last word of letter Q. And this word is,
question.
Question. Your turn.
Question.
Again, please.
Question.
Question. Your turn.
Question.
Excellent, students. Alright, now let's move to the next letter. And this letter is letter R. Don't forget to listen carefully.
R. Radio. R. Rabbit. R. Robot.
Alright, and this part is letter R. And student, did you know what is the sound of letter R?
R.
R. That's it. Alright, now let's listen it again and then repeat it. Repeat after me. R. Your turn.
R.
That's it. And now let's practice more with our words over there. Let's begin with the first one. This word is, listen carefully.
Radio.
Radio. Your turn.
Radio.
One more time, please.
Radio.
Radio. Your turn.
Radio.
Good job. Alright, now let's move to the next word over there. And this word is
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Your turn.
Rabbit.
Well done. And now let's move to this one. This word is
Robot.
repeat after me. Robot. Your turn.
Robot.
Well done, students. Alright, now we have practiced with the letter Q, letter R already. Let's move to our last letters of this part. And this one is letter H. Don't forget to listen carefully again.
S. Strawberry. S. Star. S. Sun.
Alright, and this part is letter H. So, student, what is the sound of letter H? Can you remember?
Yes.
What is the sound of letter S?
S.
Well done. H. Now let's listen it again and then let's repeat it. Repeat after me. H. Your turn.
S.
Wonderful. Alright. And now let's practice more with our words over there that have the same beginning sound of letter S. The first one. Listen carefully.
Strawberry.
Let's repeat it. Strawberry. Your turn.
Strawberry.
Good job. One more time, please.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Your turn.
Strawberry.
Good on you. Now let's move to the next word. And this word is...
Star.
Repeat after me. Star. Your turn.
Star.
Excellent. Alright, now we move to the last words over there. And this word is... Listen carefully.
Sun.
Sun. Your turn.
Sun.
Alright, good job, student. Now we have practiced already with how to pronounce the sounds of each letter. Don't forget to practice in your everyday life, student. And then the next part, we are going to do our exercise together, student. This part, you have to bring your student book beside you. This one is the student book Now let's bring it beside you. And then please open your student book on page 20. Page 20 is look like this, student. This part of page 20. Alright.
Student book.
QRS.
Put on the right stickers.
So these activities we are going to put on the right sticker. Let's begin with part of letter Q. Alright student, before we are going to put on the right sticker, now let's repeat all of the words of letter Q over there first. Let's begin with the letter. The sound of this letter is
Q, qua, qua.
repeat after me. Q, qua, qua. You turn.
Q, qua, qua.
Excellent. And then move to this word, student. This word is
Qua, qua, quilt.
qua, qua, quilt. You turn.
Qua, qua, quilt.
Alright, now let's move to this one. This word is
Qua, qua, question.
qua, qua, question. You turn.
Qua, qua, question.
Excellent. And then move to this word. This word is
Qua, qua, quiet.
qua, qua, quiet. You turn.
Qua, qua, quiet.
Excellent. But student, look at the blank one. This part, we are going to find out the correct stickers over there that have the same beginning sounds of letter Q. Which one is the correct one, student? It would be qua, qua, radio. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Qua, qua, star. Is this correct? Star.
No, teacher, it's not
Oh,
correct.
It's not correct. Good job. And what about this one? Qua, qua, queen. Is this correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, now let's find out together by put on this sticker.
Queen.
On this one.
Good work.
Good work.
Qua, qua, queen.
This one is the correct one. Now let's repeat these words.
Qua, qua, queen.
Qua, qua, queen. Your turn.
Qua, qua, queen.
Good job, student. Alright, now let's move to the next letter. And this letter is letter R. Alright, student. Before we find out the correct sticker, we are going to repeat the words over there first. Let's begin with the sounds of letter R. Listen carefully.
R, r, r.
Repeat after me. R, r, r. Your turn.
R, r, r.
Good job. Now let's practice more with our words. Let's begin with these words.
R, r, rabbit.
R, r, rabbit. Your turn.
R, r, rabbit.
Good job. And now move to this word. And this word is
R, r, robot.
r, r, robot. Your turn.
R, r, robot.
Good job. Alright, now let's move to this one. And this word is
R, r, rainbow.
repeat after me. R, r, rainbow. Your turn.
R, r, rainbow.
Excellent, student. But look at the yellow one. Look at its shadow. We are going to find out the correct sticker that have the same beginning sound of letter R. Which one is the correct one, student? It would be R, R, star. Is this correct? Star.
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? R, R, queen.
No, again.
Oh no, again. And what about this one, student? R, R, radio. Radio. Is this correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Alright, now let's put on the right sticker.
Radio.
Radio.
Super.
Super.
R, r, radio.
Radio is the correct one. Now let's repeat this word.
R, r,
Radio.
Radio. Your turn.
Radio.
Good job. Alright, now let's move to the next letters. And this letter is letter H. Alright, student. Before we are going to find the correct sticker, we are going to practice with our words over there. Let's begin with the sounds of letter H. Listen carefully again.
S.
Repeat after me. S. Your turn.
S.
Good job. Alright, let's practice more with our words. Let's begin with this one.
C.
C. Your turn.
C.
Good job. And then move to this word. And this word is
Strawberry.
strawberry. Your turn.
Strawberry.
Good job. Alright, now move to this one. And this word is
Sun.
sun. Your turn.
Sun.
Excellent. And then look at the shadow, student. We are going to find out the correct sticker. This one would be queen. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Star. Star. Is this correct?
Yes.
Alright, good job. It would be star. Now let's put on the right sticker.
Star.
Great work.
Great work.
Star.
And then repeat this word after me.
Star.
Star. Your turn.
Star.
Excellent, student. Alright, now we have done already with part of these activities. Let's move to the next activity, student. And now please open your student book on page 21.
Q R S.
Follow the maze.
Alright, student. This part of activities we are going to follow the maze. Now teacher have fourth line over there. This one is the first line, and then the second line, the third line, and then the fourth line. We are going to follow the maze with letter Q, R, and S. We are going to find out the words. Now we have the pictures over there that have the same beginning sound of letter Q, R, and S. Now let's find out your pencil, student. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. And then let's do these activities together, student. Alright, let's begin with letter Q. Of the first line, this one is letter Q. Now let's move to the second line, student. Look at this line. And then we are going to find out the word that have the beginning sound of letter Q. Which one is the correct one? Quilt. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this one is the correct one. Now let's connect by drawing the line from the big Q to this word, quilt. Drawing the line like this. This part teacher used the red line. Alright, keep following, student. Have you finished?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's move to the third line over there. Student, the third line. We are going to find out the right word that have the beginning sound of letter Q too. Which one is the correct one? It would be rainbow. Is this correct? Rainbow.
No.
Oh, no way. And what about this one? Star. Star. Is this correct?
No, again.
Oh, no, again. And what about this one? Queen. Queen. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This one is the correct one. Queen have the beginning sounds of letter Q. Now let's connect from this word quilt by drawing the line and then follow the mask to the pictures of queen like this. Alright, keep following. Have you finished with this part?
Yes.
Good job. Alright, now we move to the first line over there, student. The first line, we are going to find out the small letter of letter Q. Which one is the small letters of letter Q? The green one. Is it small Q?
No.
No. And what about the orange one? Is it small Q?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? The pink one. Is it small Q?
Yes.
Yes, this one is the correct one. This letter is the small Q. Now, let's follow the mask from the pictures of queen. Drawing the line like that to get to the small Q, like this. Alright, keep following, student. Have you finished with part of letter Q?
Yes.
Excellent! Alright, now we're done already with part of letter Q. Let's move to the next letter, student. Look at this one. What kind of this letter over there?
R.
Letter R, and this one is small r or big R.
Big R.
Good job, this one is big R. Alright, this part teacher will change the colors. This time teacher will use the yellow one. Alright, now let's begin with the big R. We are going to find out the word over there. Let's move to the second line. Big R. We are going to connect to this word. Robot. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this one is the correct one. Now let's follow the mask from big R to the pictures of robot in the second line. Now let's move to the third line, student. The third line over there. We are going to find out the correct word that has the beginning sounds of letter R. Which one is the correct one? It would be star. Star. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Rainbow. Rainbow. Is this correct?
Yes.
Good job. Rainbow is the correct one. It has the beginning sound of letter R. Now let's follow the math, student, from the pictures of robot. And then follow the math to get to the pictures of rainbow, like this. Alright, keep following. Have you finished?
Yes.
Now we move to the fourth line over there, student. And this part we are going to find out the small r. Which one is the small r? The green one. Is it small r?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one, student? The orange one. Can you say this?
Yes, teacher.
Is this the small r?
Yes.
Yes, good job. The orange one. This one is the small r. Now let's follow the math from the pictures of rainbow. Get to the small r. Like this. Alright, have you finished?
Yes.
Wonderful. Now we have done already with part of letter R. And then let's move to the next letter. What kind of this letter, student?
S.
It's letter S. Excellent. And this part teacher will change the color again. This time teacher will use green. Alright, green. Let's begin with this one. This one is small s or big S.
Big S.
Big S. Good job. And then big S is would match to sun. Is this correct?
Yes.
Sun. Good job. Alright, now let's follow the math from big S to the pictures of sun like this. Drawing the line like this. Alright, now let's move to the third line over there, student. The third line, we are going to find out the correct word that have the beginning sound of letter S. Which one is the correct one? It would be queen. Is it correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Star. Star. Is this correct?
Yes.
Star. Good Alright, star is the correct one. Now, let's follow the math from the pictures of sun. And then, go to the pictures of star. So keep following. Now, let's move to the first line over there. And this part, we are going to find out the small s, student. Which one is the small s? The pink one, is it small s?
No.
Oh no, and what about the green one? Is it small s?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This one is small s. Now let's follow the math from the pictures of star to get to small s like this. Alright, keep following. Have you finished with this part of activities?
Yes, teacher.
Good job, student. Alright. Now we have done already. And then let's move to the next part. This part we are going to review with part of check it out on page 22.
Check it out.
Alright, let's begin with the first part. And this part we call what do you have?
What do you have?
What do you have? Alright, student. Now teacher have 3 pictures over there. Let's begin with the first pictures here. Look, student. What do you have? And then let's find out the correct answer. Which one is the correct one? The answer would be strawberries. Strawberries. Is this matching to this picture? Strawberries.
No.
Oh, no way, it's not. And what about this one? Orange. Orange. Oranges, sorry. Oranges. Is this oranges?
No, teacher.
Oh, no, it's not oranges. And what about this one? Bananas. Bananas. Is this bananas?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's choose this one, the correct answer.
Bananas.
Bananas.
Okay.
Okay, this
I
one is
have
correct
bananas.
one. And now let's repeat this sentence. Listen carefully.
I have bananas.
I have bananas. You turn.
I have bananas.
Good job. Alright, let's move to the next picture, student. Look at this one. What do you have? Let's find out the correct answers again. This one would be bananas. Bananas. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Strawberries. Strawberries. Is this strawberries?
No, teacher.
Oh no. And what about this one? Oranges. Oranges. Is this oranges?
Yes.
Alright, good job. This one is the correct one. Oranges.
Oranges.
I have oranges.
And then let's repeat this sentence.
I have oranges.
I have oranges. You turn.
I have oranges.
Wonderful. Alright, now we move to the last pictures of this part. And this picture is... Look at this one. What do you have? Student, let's find out the correct answer. Is this bananas? Bananas.
No.
Oh no. And what about this one? Oranges. Oranges. Is this oranges?
No, teacher.
Oh no. And what about this one? Strawberries. Strawberries. Is it strawberries?
Yes.
Yes, this one is the correct one.
Strawberries.
That's it.
That's it.
I have strawberries.
Alright, now let's repeat this sentence.
I have strawberries.
I have strawberries. You turn.
I have strawberries.
Wonderful. Alright, end up of this part, student. Let's move to part 2.
How does it taste?
How does it taste? This part of activities we are going to find out the correct taste of each item's over there. Let's begin with the first one. What is this, student? Guess what?
Lemon.
Lemon. And student, how does it taste of this lemon? Is it bitter? Lemon, is it bitter?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Lemon, is it sour? Is it sour?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's find out together with sour.
Sour.
Good work.
Good work.
It's sour.
It's sour. And then let's repeat it again.
It's sour.
It's sour. You turn.
It's sour.
Good job. Alright, now let's move to the next item. Look at this one. What is this?
Medicine.
Medicine. Excellent. And student, do you know what is, how does it taste of medicine? Is it sweet?
No.
Or what about, is it bitter? Or is it sour? Which one is the correct one? Sweet? No. Sour?
No.
No. Or bitter?
Yes.
Yes, the medicine is bitter. Now let's find out the answer together.
Bitter.
Bitter.
Okay.
Okay.
It's bitter.
And then let's repeat this sentence.
It's bitter.
It's bitter. You turn.
It's bitter.
Wonderful. Alright, now we move to the next one. Look at this one, students. Guess what? What is this? Is this a sugar?
No.
Oh, what about salt?
Yes.
Yes, it's a salt. And student, how does it taste of this salt? Is it sour?
No, teacher.
No. And what about salty? Is it salty?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's find out together with this one. Salty.
Salty.
That's it.
That's it.
It's salty.
It's salty. Now let's repeat this sentence.
It's salty.
It's salty. You turn.
It's salty.
Good job. Alright, now we move to the last item. Student, look at this one. What is it?
Ice
Do
cream.
you like it?
Yes.
Alright. And student, if you like it, do you know how does it taste of this ice cream? Is it salty?
No.
No. And what about this one? Is it bitter?
No way.
Oh, no way. And what about this one? Is it sweet? Ice cream, is it sweet?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. Alright, now let's check it out together with this answer.
Sweet.
Sweet.
That's it.
That's it.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Now let's repeat this sentence.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. You turn.
It's sweet.
Good job. Alright, student. Now end up of this part. How does it taste? Let's move to part 3. Match.
Match.
Alright, student. We are going to match the pictures over there with the correct beginning sounds of letter Q, R, and S. Let's begin with the first one. Student, listen carefully.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Is which match to which letters over there? Q, rainbow. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, let's find out with another one. Rainbow. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, now let's check it out together by choose this one.
R.
Oh, good job. Now let's repeat after me. Rainbow. Your turn.
Rainbow.
Wonderful, student. Alright, now let's move to the next pictures over there. Look at this one. And then listen carefully.
Star.
Star.
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this letter? Star. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes, alright. Now let's match these pictures to the correct letter. This one,
S.
Alright, good job. This one is the correct one. Now repeat after me. Star. You turn.
Star.
Good job. Alright, student. Now we move to the last pictures over there. And this one is, listen carefully.
Quilt.
Quilt. Oops, now we have only one letters over there. And this letter would be Q. Quilt. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes, this one is the correct one. Now let's match these pictures to the correct answer.
Q. Super.
Alright, now let's repeat. Q. Quilt. You turn.
Q. Quilt.
Good on you, student. Alright, now it's end up of part of match. So, student, the next part, we are going to practice how to sing and dance with our song with part of warm-up.
Warm up.
And student, do you know how to sing and dance with this song, Yummy Yum Yum?
Yes.
Good job. Let's stand up. Let's practice how to sing and dance together with Yummy Yum Yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples, bananas, juicy, fresh, yummy. Juicy, fresh, yummy. Let's have a fruit party. Oranges, grapes, juicy, fresh, yummy. Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Good on you, student. Alright, and now let's practice more with the next song that we call What Do You Have? Alright, let's sing and dance together.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Apples. Oh, I have some apples.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? Bananas. Oh, I have some bananas. I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Melons. Oh, I have some melons.
Good on you, students. Alright, don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with our song. But students, for today it's time's up. And then we have to say goodbye. Alright, now let's sing and dance with our last song that we call Goodbye Song.